Did you know that starting a pension plan early can significantly impact your future? If you are a young IT professional, it's time to take this serious. Here is why you should consider starting a pension plan now. First, let's talk about compounding. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. This means that even small contributions can lead to big savings down the road. Imagine what your future self will say when you retired comfortably thanks to those early investments. Next, starting now means lower monthly contributions. You don't need to put away a future each month. You don't need to put away a fortune each month. Just start small. Consistency is key. And over time, those small contributions can add up to a substantial nest egg. Let's not forget the tax benefits. By contributing to the pension plan, you can save smarter and pay less in tax. Allow you to keep more of your hard earned money. Finally, think about financial freedom. By planning for your retirement today, you are giving yourself the power to retire on your own terms. No one wants to be working into their golden years when they could be enjoy life. Now, if you are thinking, I am too young to think about retirement, think again. The earlier you start, the richer you be later. Don't wait until it's too late. So, why not take action? Call now for a complimentary free consultation. This offer is for a limited time. Secure your future today. Call me K. Samuel Paul 82961 26643.